Deep within the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, shrouded in mystery and intrigue, lies Nan Madol, a lost city that has captivated explorers, archaeologists, and dreamers for centuries. Imagine an archipelago of nearly 100 artificial islets, intricately connected by a network of canals. This is Nan Madol, a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of a civilization lost to time. Located just off the coast of Pompeii in the Federated States of Micronesia, Nan Madol is a breathtaking sight to behold. Its towering basalt structures, seemingly rising from the depths of the ocean, whisper tales of a bygone era, inviting us to unravel the secrets they hold. The story of Nan Madol is shrouded in mystery, its origins lost to the mists of time. What we do know is that this remarkable complex was built by the Saudeleur Dynasty, who ruled Pompeii for centuries. Construction is believed to have begun around the 12th or 13th century AD, with generations of skilled craftsmen laboring to create this marvel of engineering and architecture. It is believed that Nan Madol served as the ceremonial and political center of the Saudeleur Dynasty, a place where priests performed rituals, chiefs held court, and the elite resided. How this ancient civilization with limited technology managed to quarry, transport, and erect these massive basalt structures remains a perplexing question. Nan Madol's most striking feature is its unique architecture, characterized by massive basalt blocks stacked upon one another without the use of mortar. The sheer size and weight of these blocks, some weighing up to 50 tons, are a testament to the strength and determination of the ancient builders. These megalithic structures, some reaching heights of over 25 feet, have withstood the test of time, their imposing presence a reminder of the power of human ingenuity. The islets themselves were carefully planned, each serving a specific purpose, from religious sanctuaries to residential complexes. This meticulous planning and the sheer scale of construction make Nan Madol an unparalleled archaeological treasure in the Pacific. Over the centuries, Nan Madol has become steeped in legends and folklore, passed down through generations of Pompeian people. One legend speaks of two brothers, gifted with magical powers, who arrived on Pompeii and used their sorcery to lift the massive basalt stones into place. Another tale tells of a lost city, swallowed by the ocean, with Nan Madol being the only visible remnant of this once great civilization. These stories, while adding to the allure of Nan Madol, also hint at the possibility of advanced knowledge and technologies possessed by its builders. Some even speculate that Nan Madol may have been a hub for ancient mariners, a stepping stone for voyages across the vast Pacific. Nan Madol was not just a political center, it was also a place of immense spiritual significance. The Saudeleur Dynasty believed in a complex cosmology, with numerous deities and spirits inhabiting the natural world. Many of the islets within Nan Madol were dedicated to specific deities, serving as venues for elaborate religious ceremonies and rituals. Offerings of food, precious objects, and even human sacrifices were made to appease the gods and ensure the well-being of the community. Today, Nan Madol remains a sacred site for the Pompeian people, a tangible link to their ancestral past, and a place where the spirits of their ancestors are believed to reside. Nan Madol is often referred to as the Venice of the Pacific, due to its intricate network of canals and waterways. These canals, some natural and others man-made, served as transportation routes, connecting the various islets and facilitating the movement of people and goods throughout the city. The canals also played a crucial role in the city's drainage system, regulating water flow and preventing flooding during the monsoon season. The presence of these well-engineered canals further highlights the advanced understanding of hydraulics and urban planning possessed by the ancient Saudeleur builders. Section 7. A legacy in peril. Threats to Nan Madol's preservation. Despite its historical and cultural significance, Nan Madol faces numerous threats to its preservation. Rising sea levels, a consequence of climate change, are eroding the fragile coastline and threatening to submerge this archaeological treasure. The encroachment of vegetation, particularly the invasive mangrove trees, is also causing damage to the ancient structures. Furthermore, looting and vandalism pose a constant challenge, as unscrupulous individuals seek to profit from the site's historical artifacts. Protecting Nan Madol for future generations requires a concerted effort from the local community, the government of Micronesia, and international organizations. Section 8. Unlocking the secrets, the importance of research and exploration. While we have learned much about Nan Madol, countless questions remain unanswered. How did the Saudeleur people quarry and transport the massive basalt stones? What technologies and techniques did they employ in their construction? What led to the eventual decline and collapse of their civilization? Answering these questions requires ongoing research and exploration, using cutting-edge technologies such as ground-penetrating radar, underwater archaeology, and DNA analysis. By piecing together the fragments of the past, we can gain a deeper understanding of this enigmatic civilization and its place in the grand tapestry of human history. Section 9. Nan Madol in the Modern World, Tourism and Cultural Heritage. Today, Nan Madol stands as a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the human spirit, a reminder of the boundless possibilities of human endeavor. It serves as a source of pride for the Pompeian people, connecting them to their ancestral heritage and providing a glimpse into their rich cultural past. Tourism, if managed responsibly, can play a vital role in raising awareness about Nan Madol's significance and generating revenue for its preservation. Section 10. Conclusion. A call to action. Protect the wonders of our past. Nan Madol, the enigmatic city of stone, continues to captivate our imagination, inviting us to unravel its secrets and ponder the mysteries of the past. As we gaze upon its weathered stones, we are reminded of the power of human ingenuity and the importance of preserving our shared heritage. Let us ensure that this ancient marvel endures for generations to come, a beacon of knowledge and inspiration for all humankind.